For the content or the flow of our presentation, we have the following. We have the title, background of the study, objectives, conceptual frameworks, and the proposed design. On the title, we have the design of solar photovoltaic system to supply perimeter lights by yours truly. On the background of the study, we have the Philippines consumption is growing day by day. As a result, energy generation now is the greater contributor on pollution in our country. Solution for this, our government now is investing on renewable energy such as geothermal energy, hydro energy, and solar PV energy. Comparing the alternatives, this research aimed to design and develop the solar photovoltaic system to power perimeter lightings around the compound of OSP Advantage Systems Corporation. The objective of the study is to gather and analyze the data for solar photovoltaic system for supplying perimeter lightings. The next is to design the supply circuit and the control of it. Next thing is to fabricate and develop the solar photovoltaic system to supply our perimeter lights. Next thing is to evaluate the outputs and the solar photovoltaic system as well. The next thing is the conceptual framework. For the conceptual framework, after gathering the data and the information we needed, we need to analyze it. Then next is design and develop as per the data gathered. Next thing is to build our prototype. Then testing and evaluation. After that, we're getting our output, which is the design of a solar photovoltaic system to power perimeter lights. Just in case we don't get the acceptable outputs, we need to go back to the design and development and repeat the process. On proposed design, we have a solar PV, or also known as a solar panel. From it will be connected to our MPPT, which is also our solar charger. Then our solar PV will charge our storage, which is our battery. Then next, from DC, it will be converted to AC using the inverter. On the load side, we have a ATS, which is connected parallelly to supply our perimeter lights. I use this automatic transfer switch to automatically transfer the supply from our solar PV system to normal power, just in case we have failure on our system. For monitoring and the accessories needed for the system, we have the DDC, which is monitoring and controlling the system to utilize its efficiency. For more understanding, we have here the solar PV panel, which is connected to our solar tracker and then supplying our solar PV panel. Inside our solar PV panel, we have this circuit diagram. As I explained before, it's connected on our automatic transfer switch, and it's also monitored and controlled by our digital controller. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.